What is going on, man? Welcome to XconMedia, man, where we just talk about all kind of stuff, man. We random, we all over the place, but hey, 18,000 plus like it, so we gonna keep talking about it. Let's get into it, man. Now we gonna understand this YSL case, man. All right, this thing is a full-fledged, I don't know what to call it, soap opera. It's getting out of control, man. I mean, you got hand-to-hand drug transactions in progress. Hand-to-hand drug transactions in court in front of the jury being picked in progress. All right. So if you just not, unless you've been up under a rock and you not following the case going on down in Atlanta, right, where these clowns is making y'all make us from Atlanta look so stupid right now. Like all this stuff that y'all doing, y'all make us look crazy. And trust me, all of us is not like that. Y'all just do any and everything and don't care. But I'm gonna break down to you why. Okay, the guy that did the handoff, I'm gonna tell you exactly why, right? He don't care about nothing. Never did. Never will. All right. So let's get to the thing. Let me catch up to speed with a little video courtesy of 11 Alive. And we gonna get it right here and right now. Let's go.
A man serving a life sentence for one crime and on trial for a second is facing new charges. One of the defendants in the YSL trial is accused of passing drugs to Atlanta rapper Young Thug in the middle of the courtroom. 11 Alive's Brittany Klein-Peter has a closer look at how some say this could impact the trial.
Legal experts tell me these new allegations could make what is already expected to be a lengthy trial even longer.
According to a court motion filed by the Fulton County District Attorney, Young Thug's co-defendant, Kahlieff Adams, allegedly handed Percocet to the rapper during court on Wednesday. In the highlighted part of this video, you can see Adams extend his hand to the rapper. Prosecutors allege that's when he handed him the drugs. You then see a deputy walk up to the rapper and demand he hand it over. Young Thug complies.
This is the third time that we've had contraband introduced into this in this space.
There's no excuse for this happening once, twice, but three times? Really?
Criminal defense attorney and prosecutor Daryl Cohen says he's in shock this could have ever happened.
When someone is in a courtroom and he or she is on trial, they are not able to move from the counsel table unless and until a deputy sheriff or two escorts them.
While it doesn't appear potential jurors were in the courtroom when this happened, defense attorneys were concerned that they could have learned about the accusations.
I doubt that they know anything about what's going on at this point in time.
If the potential jurors were in the room and they saw this take place, they're going to be tainted.
We're told Adams was taken to Grady after allegedly ingesting other drugs that were on him in an effort to conceal his crimes within the courtroom. Adams, who is currently serving a life sentence without parole for murder, is now facing additional charges because of this. So far, the rapper, whose legal name is Jeffery Williams, is not.
The court needs to decide on 12 jurors and alternates before the trial.
Listen, man. All right. Number one, this cat don't care about nothing. He's already serving a life sentence for murder. He's already taken the life of somebody. And I'm pretty sure I could find out each and every detail of the murder. To my knowledge, it happened in 2016. In Georgia, when you get life, it's life without. You know what I'm saying? And for all you people that's like, oh, you telling this dude business, he ain't got no business. All of this stuff is public record. He took somebody's life. He took somebody, auntie, uncle. He took somebody. Let's look at the extensive rap sheet by this individual right here, man. Take a look. You see this cat, man? There you go, right there. This is the guy that was just on the news right here, man. And this is one of the reasons why he don't care, right? Major offense, murder. He's at Hayes State Prison, which a lot of you don't know. I've never been there. But it is a level 5 count because I've done time in Georgia. You know, but truth be told, is stabbings, is people dying in every prison. But this is one of the level 5 camps. This is where gang activity reigns supreme, right? They don't care about nothing. Most of the people in there is just like this cat right here, life without parole. Life without parole in the state of Georgia mean you would never see the light of day again. So again, why was he in the courtroom to begin with and not sitting in prison? We'll never know. That's the state being greedy, wanting to pile up more charges, Every time you transport an inmate, especially an inmate with life without parole, the death penalty, anything, the chances of things happening increases exponentially. So it was unsafe for him to be in the courtroom and to be able to get up and even walk over there and conduct a hand-to-hand transaction. Should Jeffery Williams be charged? We cannot prove that he knew that was about to happen. For all he knew, the cat could have just been handing him a note saying, blase blah, call my people, you know, tell my people I love them. He could have just been handing him a note. So in my opinion, Jeffery should not be charged for that. He already got enough problems as it is. He shouldn't be charged for that because he can't control somebody getting up and handing him something. Notice how they say as soon as the deputy told him, give it here, he complied. He didn't try to conceal it. He didn't try to drop it. He didn't try to pitch it across the courtroom. He didn't try to swallow it. He didn't try to do none of that. He handed it over to him. You know what I'm saying? But let's just back up for a minute. Okay, so this cat is in life without parole. Extensive rap sheet right here. Extensive. And this is all public record. This is all over the internet. And let me tell you something. If you didn't kill somebody, mama, brother, auntie, uncle, son, I don't care to keep your stuff concealed. You know what I'm saying? You ain't nothing to me. And that's the one thing that I thank God that, yes, I went to prison. Yes, I did some stupid shit, but I ain't never took nobody's life. I'm not going to profess to even think about taking nobody's life because taking somebody's life is not on my mind. And even when I was in a life of crime, it just wasn't on my mind. It just wasn't something that I would do. But here we go, man. Terroristic acts. Oh yeah, he's a terrorist. Yeah, buddy. Terroristic acts. Influencing a witness. Stop playing. Okay, possession of a firearm, first offender. So he caught all these charges in 2016, and it's the first time he's been caught or sent to prison. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime, armed robbery, aggravated assault, home invasion in the first degree, armed robbery, aggravated assault, gang participation. That's a running theme. He got 20 years just for that. Murder. Somebody died. Possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime, aggravated battery. Oh man, aggravated battery, aggravated assault. We talking about this is all the same charge right here. Possession of a firearm during a crime. This cat here is a menace to society. He should not have even been allowed to be in the courtroom. What is the Fulton County DA even? Why are they even bringing him back to be in the courtroom during a high-profile charge like this? He already got life without. They need to send him back and leave him right where he at. You know what I'm saying? Because a whole lot of things come into play when it comes to the security at the Fulton County Jail, the security of the transfer buses between Fulton County Jail and prison. It's a whole lot of stuff coming to play, man. Because this dude had pills, he had weed, he had tobacco. I mean, hey, he got a life. What would you do if you had a life sentence and you would never get out again? You don't care. You don't care about nothing. You don't care about life. You don't care about taking life. You don't care about terrorizing people. This dude here is a straight up menace. And again, he's letting you know he not remorseful because he just tried to do a hand-to-hand transaction. And unless they knew Jeffery, unless they know that Jeffery knew that that was about to happen, they can't prove that. So they shouldn't be charging him. Jeffery, boy, these folks is not playing with you, man. You got to cease everything, boy. You is fighting for your life. You got to cease all movement. These folks know you the leader. You got to cease all movement, man. These people is not going to let you out. They're going to find a way to convict you because they know what they know. This got to stop, man. Everything that you do is being taped everywhere. Cameras are everywhere. You criminals need to realize. That's why, listen, I'm not about that life, man. Y'all got it, man. Y'all got it. You win. I'm not no thug. I'm not in the street pulling pistols on folks. Everything is defense with me. I'm not trying to do nothing but work, take care of my kids, raise my kids, and protect my family, man. You cats is over with for you clowns. Y'all living by a street code and a book that ain't nobody reading. Don't nobody care about y'all little book and y'all street code and, oh yeah, he did this, that, and the third, so he real. Come on, man. Soon as them charges come, soon as them charges come, they will sell their mama out to get out of them charges. They real. Oh yeah, they real, boy. RNS to the flow to the dope. 4 flat tires. Yeah, they real. RNS forever until you get caught and then folks start throwing numbers at you and then folks start saying you're not going to see the light of day ever again in life. Boy, they going to tear everything. They going to play y'all up against each other. You can't win. It's over. Go to school. Get a job. These folks that made it out the hood, reach back in the hood. Send some folks to school. Send these cats to school for driving trucks. You ain't got to have, hey, I know people without a GED got a CDL and driving trucks. Whatever you got to do, reach back and teach and send these females to school for cosmetology, for nursing. You know what I'm saying? For childcare, for everything. Send these brothers to school for Mason Center. If you're not a school person, at least go to a technical school. Wait till I become rich. I'm going to reach back and I'm sending folks to school, man. I'm paying for education. That's how you put somebody on, man. You put them on like that, boy. Education changed everything. So, with that being said, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. You know, let me know your opinion. All right, personally, I don't care if you say, oh, yeah, you talking to me. I don't care about none of that. I don't care about none of that. The life of crime is over. These people that's committing these crimes now, y'all don't have no filter. You don't have no boundaries. Y'all out here committing crimes against old people. You're out here committing crimes against kids. Y'all cats ain't got no boundaries. So I ain't got no love for the streets. None, because the streets didn't have no love for me. So this is what I'm doing with XconMedia. I am trying to tell you cats, go ahead on and give up the life of crime. That is the best advice I can give you. That is the best advice I can give you. Give up the life of crime. Stop doing what you're doing, man, because you're not winning. With hand-to-hand transactions like that going on, you know what I'm saying, in the courtroom, come on, man. Y'all just showing them folks how stupid we is. We stupid as a black people and we stupid as Negroes that's in Atlanta, Georgia, boy. Y'all making us look stupid to the world, man. Y'all got to stop doing this madness ASAP.